just creating a autocrat. Has already it's been installed on my this one. Already it's been installed in my Google Chrome. So I'll just go on to the add-ons. I'll repeat again. There are few add-ons what we can do on the Excel sheets. There are few add-ons what we can do on the forms. The add-ons for the forms are different. The add-ons for the Excel sheets are different. I'll just open this again. Here the add-on, there are many add-ons, but I'm using Autocrat. So this is what I have. Since it is, I've already created an add-on with the job, so I'll just try to edit it. So in the beginning, for the first time, if I'm doing for the first time, this is how it would look like. So name your merge job. Actually, you know what? For this spreadsheet, we are merging a job. You know what? In a computer language, everything is a job, right? Doing a programming or doing a, like if any task is, if you have done with the calendar, if you have assigned some task in the, if you have kept an alarm, it is a job. If you are running a program, it is a job. So that is what it is. I just want to make one job to run with this forum, so these are the few informations what we have to provide. That is, name your job, name your merge job. So I have named it as e-certificate. So next, since I'm telling again, I cannot create a new template again in this class. So what I have done is, already there is a template which is available in my Google Drive. This is a template which is available. I'll just show you. This is a template which is available in my Google Drive. This is what it is. I request all the participants to carefully observe here. So this is the slide itself. Whatever, this is a slide itself, whatever we go through. So here you will be knowing, right, sir? You'll be knowing that which particular field you have to make that field to be printed in the certificate. You keep that information in the Angular tab. So here I'm just taking three informations, like I'm taking full name, I'm taking a college name, and I'm taking a date. These are the three information which has to be imported, from the Excel sheet. So that is what I'm trying to do here. So here I come again. Sorry, just for a while. So here I come again. So here it is. So I have chosen a template which is already available. I have uploaded it. So I'll go to the next tab. So here I have to be careful that from this Google form, which column has to be mapped, which is available in the template. So this is what it is. So these are the few, if you are able to see this, these are the columns which are available in the forms, Excel spreadsheets. These are the forms. So now for this full name, I have to make the name which I have to import from the Excel sheet. For this college, so which is available in the Excel sheet, I have to import it. For this date, this timestamp, whatever I have, I'm just taking that. I'm moving on to the next tab. So here it asks me that which type of the file you have to create. I have a Google Slides or I have a PDF. Instead of creating a Google Slides, I can make it as a PDF. What I'll do is, for the file name what I have, right, that file name, I have to take the individual participant's file name. This is what it is. And for that file name, it should be certificate. Like for example, Girish certificate.pdf. And this should be developed, and this should be implemented for all the participants who submit the responses. I'm just telling again, this should be generated for, here I have only 2 responses. So here I'll just move this. Sorry, I'm unable to move this. So for here, for example, if I have 150 responses, for all the 150 responses, I should be able to generate the files. So this is how the unique file will be created by name, by clicking on the name what I have, or else you can simply type as it is. This is how the file name would look like. Either I can create with a single output mode, means all the 150 certificates will be there in the one PDF itself. It should not happen for me, what it happened in the previous session. So it should not happen for me. So what I'll do is I'll create an individual file. So what I'll do is, this is how the individual file will be created. This is a file settings. Next, actually where exactly you have to save that files. It not only wants to create a file, it should be saved in my drive also. It should be saved in my drive also. I'm just, if I want to have a specific folder, I can just choose a folder here. Next thing is, this is an optional part. You need not worry about this dynamic folder and all. Your 6th and 7th point, you need not worry. Here it comes. The 8th point is most important point. Here you want to share these docs to an respective mail IDs, right? For example, when you're filling the feedback form, you'll be filling those parts also, right? You'll be filling the your informations also there. That's why I'm asking you people to fill your mail IDs, your mail, your name, and your college address, like how you want that to be printed in your certificate. This is how it is. So what I'll do is that should be converted into an PDF form. Here I want to share the doc. If I don't want to share the doc, I need not have a setting. So here I'll just give a yes part. It should be shared. Either it should be like I can have anyhow, it is given the PDF itself. We cannot change it. Now here it comes. For example, whom to send. Whom to send. The respective mail addresses it should be sent, right? For respective mail addresses we have to send. And I'll be keeping the carbon copy of that in my system itself, in my another mail ID. This is my another mail ID where you have got the this one instructions. So here, like this is the subject. Hope you'll be knowing, right? This is a subject what I have, and this is the message what I can print in the body of the email. This is normal mail ID what I am doing. So here, this is the most important thing is as soon as you submit the button, as soon as you submit the form, your certificate should be triggered. Your certificate should be triggered. So this is the place where you want to do that. So after doing this, this is the one thing what you have to save it. You have to save it. I'll tell one example here. For example, I have to enable this. I have to enable this part wherein which after you submit this form, what I'll do is I just wanted to run this. I'll just open this. The previous part what I've done is it was settings. Now what I'm doing is now I have to run the job. Now once if I give the run job, the certificates will be dispatched. We can also click on new job. For example, for me, this certificate, I don't want to make use of this template. If I want to make use of another template, I can add this. This is a new job what I can